just a little bit of power. Okay.
Both are good for me.
Okay. Left. Right. Then go ahead and do a left U-turn. No steering.
Yep. Habits from the car.
That's okay. We all go through this. Don't worry about it. A little tighter here. It'll stay away from the tractor and the wing. Okay. Now over to the line. Okay. Relax your feet. Right, left, both. Back to you. Got them?
Yes.
Okay. Proceed. Go down to the intersection for the taxiway here and turn left to go up to runway 26 as per the red marking on the left there. 26 is to the left, 8 is to the right. Look at that crap. That's smoke. That's smoke coming off a burn somewhere.
Something's burning there.
Yeah, that's not a weird cloud. That's just smoke. Okay. They said the wind was out of the south. That would make sense for that plume of smoke. So yeah, we check both ways. And this one, because it has the exit from the runway, you want to be sure you're not got something there. That's cute. Right in the middle of our flying pattern. All right, and you'll notice that the wind is from the left. Go ahead and get the wind again.
Lightning distant northwest. Orange County Airport. Automated weather observation 1405 Zulu weather wind 060 at 3 visibility 1010,000 scattered temperature 21.
Okay, 06 as the wind is shifted. Okay, go to the right, reverse U-turn, and go back up to the other end of 8.
Okay, so UE right here.
Yeah, do a UE right here. Kind of a teardrop. Offset right and then teardrop left. Orange looks like the wind shifted to favor runway 8. We're going to go to 8 now. 7912 uniform. Yep. Okay, left U-turn.
Plane coming over on the side.
Keep coming around. Jump, or pack plane, we're going to get off on the right up here to let you get ahead of us. We had a runway shift.
You can just continue down, we'll just back taxi real quick.
Okay, we'll just go down to the end, do our run up, and then you can come on this and back taxi. Very good, sir. Just go straight.
Oh, okay.
He's going to go on here, back taxi, and reverse.
Orange County traffic, jump lane, back taxi, and runway 8 orange.
Okay, the wind is light, so just slow, and then follow the curve to the left, and stop in the middle of the curve before you get to the hold short line there. That's good right in here. So.
Orange County traffic, jump plane, taking off runway 8.
Okay. We're ready. So go ahead and do the run-up stuff here. You can watch that if you want. Here he goes.
My controls are free and clear.
Okay.
All the way up. Fuels on both.
Shannon traffic, Cessna 150, 5745, accurate 8 miles southwest of the T, joining at 45 for left down 24 Shannon.
Touch more, a little bit more. Okay, remember you got some parallax error here.
Okay. That's the right back.
Move. Okay, fine.
And back to both.
Okay.
There's the left.
Okay.
Now we're on both.
Okay.
Carb heat.
Yep. Good.
Carb heat's off.
Good, good. Okay, shut off the left side of the alternator. Field.
Alright, lights
Light.
on and showing discharge.
Right. About
Suction.
4.95.
Yep. Good. Back idle.
Okay, bring it to 1,000. Then all the way to out. Then let it stabilize. Then all the way out. Let it stabilize. Carb heat on. Let it stabilize. Off. To go up and back up. Good. Looks good. Okay, now we do our reverse C check.
Turning, Dave.
That says 0.
On
That's
the
all.
horizon. Okay.
Horizon.
Yep. Within 75 feet.
Yep.
And 2975. Okay.
Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 16. Altimeter 2977. Remarks.
77. Go ahead and change it up a little bit.
2977.
77. The other way. Yep.
Shannon traffic, Cessna 5745, accurate 4 miles southwest on an extended left down for 24 Shannon.
All right. So close your window. And then light sights and transponders. So go ahead. It's kind of scungy today, so go ahead and use your nav lights and turn your landing light on all the way out. Good. Right?
So it clicks.
Ice we don't need. Transponders working. ALT blinking and 1200. Okay. All right. Normal takeoff. No flaps. Flaps should be up. Okay.
Yep.
And
no
carb heat
carb
should
heat.
be cold. Mixture should be rich. And we'll roll along. And verify green instruments, rotate about 60, climb out at 85. Okay? All right. So since we're going to depart here on runway 08, go ahead and use this orange thing to rotate that bug around to 080. Push it in and bring it around. 080. All the way around over to here. First big tick mark past east.
Shannon traffic, Cessna.
A little more.
5 Echo is
right there.
2 miles southwest on an extended left down for 24, 1,200 feet, Shannon.
Okay. Orange traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, departing runway 08. We will be in a straight out departure with a right brake to the south for training. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Take us out to the middle. To the center line.
Appreciate it, thank you. National Aircraft Parachute operations over Orange County, 2 minutes, 14,000, or 6,000 ample below, use caution.
Orange traffic, 7912 uniform, departing runway 08. Will be a right turnout to the south for training toward Lake Anna, Orange. Okay, now set this for 080. That is it's precessing. You didn't pull it out.
Oh, okay.
You got to pull that knob out and cage the thing. And this thing should be on 8. Okay. Now we're ready. All right, hold your brakes. Bring your power smoothly up to full. We're looking for 2350. Hold your brakes. Good. Oil's good. Pressure's good.
Yep.
We want to go that way.
Okay.
Release. Take your feet off the brakes. Put them down on the bottom of the rudders. That's it. That's much better. Don't steer. Steer with your feet. Let it roll. We need above 60. Back pressure.
Orange County traffic, 2 jumpers away, 6,000 and below.
Okay. Just kind of flyer on 080 and use a little minor fore and aft pressure and some trim adjustment to hold her at
Shannon traffic,
about 85.
Go turning left base, runway 26, 24, Shannon.
We're going to climb to 1,200 feet, then we'll turn right. Try to keep the wings generally as level as possible. That's it.
Jamestown traffic, TBM 940, Cleveland, turning right, base for 13.
1415 Zulu, weather, wind 010 at 5, visibility 102,500, scattered, ceiling 10,000, broken, temperature 2.
Okay, do a climbing right turn to 150. Don't bank it too much. It's about 15 degrees. That's all you need.
Turning left, turning final, runway 24 for Shannon.
Keep turning right to 150. Stop your turn by taking the bank out at about 140 heading.
Shannon traffic, Cessna 701, turning base, 24 Shannon.
And we're going to climb to 2,500.
Okay, so keep climbing while turning.
Yep.
Keep
climbing, yep.
Runway 20 wing.
Okay. Stop your turn, wings level.
Jamestown traffic, TBM
Right.
940, Cleveland, 3.5 mile.
Keep your airspeed down around 80, 85. You want to climb above this line of white clouds here.
Left downwind, runway 24, Maryland. Potomac.
Come to the right a little bit. Want to stay to the right of that gray cloud.
Okay.
Accomack County Airport, Accomack County
Keep
Airport.
your airspeed at 85. You're going too fast. Hold your airspeed. Use trim to adjust your trim if you need to. Yeah, that's better. Okay. A little more back pressure. I'd like to be down at 85. That's better.
Jamestown traffic, TBM 940, Lima, 1.5 mile final, 13, Jamestown.
Good.
Potomac traffic, Sky November 62244, overflying highway, inbound runway 24, Potomac.
Okay, let's change our heading. Let's go to a heading. Turn right to 240.
240?
240. Turn right. Keep climbing.
Left base, runway 082.
Don't over back.
504, I could burn the area to the northwest, last call, Shannon. Potomac traffic, Sky November 62244, left downwind, runway
Okay, level out.
4, Potomac.
Keep turning to 240.
6198, final runway 24, Potomac.
That's it. Push a little forward pressure and look for horizon. Keep your turn in.
312 extended
Stop your turn down.
for runway 08,
Push.
Orange County.
Push. Want to see some horizon up here. Now, wings level. You're on 240. That's good. Okay, now bring your power down to about 2300. Good, looking good. Keep coming down, coming down, coming down. That's good power.
Accomack County traffic, got a blue and white Mooney.
Very good.
On that runway 21.
Now trim the plane up for level flight going in this direction.
Accomack traffic.
Dylan, manifest.
Okay. Once that little bit of fluffiness over there gets behind the wing there, or under the wing, go ahead and turn left to a heading of 150.
Thank you, 6244.
Okay, put a little bit of nose, just a tiny bit of nose up trim here.
Orange County traffic,
Going down.
Skyvision 312 is on
Let's
down.
go to 150.
08, Orange County.
Toward the lake over there.
Potomac traffic, Sky number 62244, left base, runway 24, Potomac.
Okay, work your way between this white fluff and that white fluff.
Okay.
Straight ahead. Add altitude toward the lake.
Aircraft parachute operations over Orange
Very
County,
good.
2 minutes, 14,000 and below each off.
Okay, that's our clearing turn to the left. And once we're past this, we'll turn to the right. Okay, start yourself a right-hand turn to 240. Level.
Accomack County traffic, Accomack
A little
County
more
traffic.
verbally out here than I thought it would
Straight in, runway
be.
2,
Not too much
miles
bank,
out,
too much bank. You only want about 15 degrees of bank.
Potomac traffic, Sky number 62244.
Getting high. Why are we climbing?
Potomac.
You're turning and pulling is what you're doing. You got to divide the rotation from the fore and aft pressure. Keep coming to the right.
Runway 20.
Okay, once you're,
Sky Ventures 312
once
left
you're
base,
on
runway 08, Orange
240,
County.
go ahead and let's reduce power and descend to 2,000. So you're going to come down 800 feet. Okay, so bottom, RP. Good, and idle down toward about 1900.
Accomack County traffic, got a blue and white Mooney straight in runway 21, 5 miles
Stay
out.
on your
Accomack
heading.
traffic.
Orange County traffic, Sky Ventures 312 is turning final, runway 08, Orange County.
Good down rate, that's fine. Once you get down to 2,000 feet, we'll level out.
Okay.
And then we're going to do a climbing left turn to the reciprocal heading, which will be 060.
And when turning, all these ticks, are they 5
Yeah.
degrees, 10 degrees?
10 degrees.
10 degrees each? Okay.
Okay, so when I say 15 degrees, you want to be between the two little ones.
Okay.
That's the angle. The first big one is 30 degrees. That's way too much. You don't want to normally operate past 20. You can, but when you need to, but
Pack manifest.
not for basic maneuvers.
Come traffic, Cherokee 559 Foxtrot, 5 miles southwest over the marina.
Try to stay on your heading plus or minus 10 degrees. And remember, when you get down about 50 feet before, restore your power, turn your carbine off.
Okay.
Okay? Turn your power up. And carb heat off. And then readjust your power for 2300. Okay, you're at 2400 now. Good. All right. That should take the sink out and stop the descent. And if you need to, make a minor pressure or trim change.
Orange County traffic, Sky
Good.
Ventures 312 is clear of runway 08, Orange County.
All righty. So what we want to do now is check your left rear, under the wing, and over here for airplanes.
Clear on the left.
Good. All right. Go ahead and go to full power. Start your climb. In other words, full power. That's going to bring the nose up a little. That's going to slow the airspeed a little. All right, back pressure.
Greenville traffic, keep on regional jet, use eastbound.
Bring your airspeed down toward 90, toward 85. Start your left turn. That's it. What we want is the climb of the descent first and the turn second.
Okay.
And keep your angle of bank to about 15 degrees between the two small tick marks there. And you'll know it's the right one because this stick will line up with that white mark. And you want about a 15-degree wedge of horizon, what little you can see of it, right in this area here. We're going to keep coming around, and we're going to go to 060. So what we're going to do is stop our turn at 070 by taking the bank out. You're a little too slow. I mean, a little too fast, excuse me. Keep your bank in. Keep your bank in. That's it. Okay, relax your back pressure to stop the climb and stop your turn. Good. Now go ahead and set your power back down to where it was, 2300. Very good. Okay, looking good. All right. Now we're going to do a descending left-hand turn to a heading of 300, okay?
Okay.
All right, so think about what you're going to do. We want to start the descent first, add the turn second, and stop at the altitude or the heading, whichever you come to first. 300 or 30 is our target.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead and reduce your power for the descent. Good.
Carb heat.
Full carb heat, yep. About 1900. Okay, start your turn to the left. Need a good standard rate turn here, about 15 degrees, a little bit more. Bang. That's good. Good, looking good. Bring your power down just a smidgen more. Good. Okay. And
Shannon traffic, Cessna 701.
looking good.
Downwind, 24, Shannon.
Summer traffic, Cherokee 5590 Foxtrot, turning left base, runway 24, Potomac.
Okay, stop your turn. Continue your descent. In other words, stop it on 300. And continue the descent, restore power 50 feet before you get to 2000.
Okay.
Good.
Orange County traffic, Skymetric 312.
Carb heat on.
Too much power. You can bring your power back to where just where it was set before in level flight.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit more, 100 more. Very good. Okay, now you're climbing again, so why are we climbing it? You're pulling. That's better. Power setting is okay. Heading is okay. Just a little bit of forward pressure to get you back down. Might need a little nose down trim. Just a little. Well, yeah. Okay. All right, once you get her to 2000, on a heading of 300, we'll go ahead and do a climbing right-hand turn to north. Okay. Start your climb first. All the way up. Back pressure to slow the airspeed below 90 toward 80. Start your turn. Right is okay.
Orange County traffic, Skymetric 312, left base, runway 08.
And what's the heading we're aiming for?
North.
Okay.
level out. Relax your back pressure, stop your turn,
Orange County traffic, Skyventure 312.
and bring your power back down to 2300.
Orange County.
Orange County traffic, jump plane, entering left downwind, runway 8, Orange County.
Good. Okay, now I want you to start a descending right-hand turn to the orange bug.
Traffic 54079.
So we're going to turn to the right to 080. Let me just take a quick check over here. Okay, start your turn. Reduce power. Reduce power. That's it. Carb heat. Good. Keep your bank in. Good.
Seville traffic, Skyventure 2022 is off to the north, last call.
Looks like you're going to need to stop your descent before you get to the heading. So restore power. Keep the turn in. Okay. Take your bank out. That'll stop your turn.
Final 24.
Very good. And just fly the bug level for a moment. Bring your power down about a little bit. That's good. Right there.
Come back in behind you.
Airport's at about 10 o'clock.
Below me, 54079.
And Lake Orange is kind of to the right of the airport there. Okay. All right, so now we're going to do a descending turn to the left, and we're going to do a descending turn to
the southwest.
350. Okay?
Inbound
All right, so start your descent. We're going to go to 1,500 feet, just down 500. Okay, reduce power, start your turn.
Orange County traffic, jump plane, left base, runway 8 Orange.
Actually, north will do. Just go to north.
Runway 08.
Common traffic 54079, left downwind 24.
Okay, stop your turn. You arrived at your heading first. Continue your descent down to 1,500. That'll put us 45 entry into left traffic. 26.
Cherokee 55.
And with these off a little bit right now, should we?
That's okay. Don't worry about that because there's lag and lead on this
So go
thing
on.
here. Just stay with the HI. Okay, restore your power. Orange traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform is 45 degrees inbound for left downwind for runway 26, full stop.
Jump plane, short final runway
Level
8,
out at
Orange County.
1,500. Bring your power down a little bit. That's good. All right.
122 on long final runway 8, 4 miles
Now,
for Orange.
just to the right of the nose, you can see the buildings there.
Yes.
That's the airport. We're going to go across the departure end of 08 and go enter the pattern over there. Okay? So, to the right of that, about several fingers width, you see that blue water tower over there?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and turn now to head for that blue water tower.
Orange traffic, Skyventures
Okay, at
122.
1,500.
Final, runway 08, Orange.
Orange traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform is reorienting to cross the departure end of runway 08 for entry into left downwind for runway 08.
Plane clear 8, Orange County.
Dylan, it's going to be a turn.
Now I got a full load of skydivers.
They aim just to the right of the water tower and go around the east side of the water tower. You're too low. Bring your nose up low.
Common traffic 54079, final.
Power setting is good.
Orange traffic, Skyventures 122 is on 2 mile final through 08, Orange.
Orange County traffic, Skyventure 312 will be departing 08. Orange County.
54 is 5 miles to the east. It'll be inbound for runway 3123.
Orange traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform is upwind, runway 08. We'll be crossing over departure 08 in about a minute. see that high ground ahead with that tower on it?
Yes.
Just aim at the tower.
08, orange. 90 Foxtrot, turning left base, runway 24, becoming.
We have one departing, runway 08.
Malibu is overhead at 4,000 feet, descending to enter left downwind for 24 Henderson, Oxford.
Turn right to a heading of 080. Orange traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, has the departing traffic on 08 in sight and will be left crosswind number 2 for 08.
Orange County traffic,
when he turns left,
to the northeast, Orange County, last call.
Yeah, I see him.
oh,
Turning
last
left
call,
now.
he's going straight out.
Number traffic, Cherokee 5590.
All right, go ahead and
final runway 24, becoming.
turn left to a heading of 350.
There's someone on the runway right now.
Keep coming around to 350. Orange traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform is transiting from upwind to crossing over departure 08 at 1,600 feet and will be entering left downwind for runway 08, full stop. Come back to your right, you're a little past your heading.
Traffic Scavengers 122 is clearly active, taxi back.
Okay, power setting is good, everything's good. Hold your heading 350, you're a little to the left of your heading. Good.
Henderson Oxford traffic. Car 1305 Bravo at 3,000 feet.
See, over at about 10 o'clock where that tree line comes off the ridge and it comes to grass, the edge of that tree line there,
Yes.
we want to position ourselves to be between the left edge and the top of the tree line.
Okay.
So turn left, come to a heading of 260. Orange traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform is left downwind, runway 08, full stop, orange. Bring your power up just a smidgen. Okay, come a little more to the left.
Traffic, King Air 137,
Single
Tango
Kilo
Kilo
is
is
entering
left downwind for 21.
Parallel the runway.
Traffic,
Okay.
054.
Pre-landing check is bowl.
45, so
Mixture fuel on bowl. Touch it.
This on both.
Mixture rich, push it in.
Full
Okay,
rich.
we're at the middle of the field. Turn your carburetor heat on full. Okay, we're at the end of the runway. Reduce your power to 1700 RPM. Okay, a little bit of, that's it, a little bit of back pressure to slow the plane toward 90. Flaps 10. Bump your flaps to 10. A little bit more. Good. Okay, now bump your flaps to 20. Okay, that's it. All right, now we're going to pitch for 80. Turn left, on the base. Orange traffic, 7912 uniform, left base, runway 08, orange. A little bit of back pressure, hold your airspeed at 80.
Short 08, wait for you, Sky Ventures 122.
Stop turn. Mid-base check, re-enter the turn. Orange traffic, Cessna 7912 uniform, base to final, runway 08, full stop, orange. And we're a little wide here. Getting some wind help. Power back up. Now we're going to crab over.
Yeah, Cessna 054 is just over Jamestown Island at 1,000 feet, and we're going to extend out and follow you guys in on the downwind.
Orange 7912 uniform, transitioning to short final for 08, orange. And we start a slow turn to final.
Left downwind 311.
Just a real slow turn. Check the wind sock, wind's from the left, so we're going to do a little left wing down and some right rudder so that we hold the tail straight with the runway center line. We use left bank to counteract the left-right drift. And we get ready to pull our power. We keep the left wing down. We can. Low the plane. Okay, good girl. Alright, we pull power, pull to slow, walking pace, and turn off. And we call after we're on the other side of hold short. You can open your window. Orange 7912, uniform clear 08. Okay, so we'll idle our engine and find your checklist, and let's do our after landing checklist. It'll be over a couple pages. There we go. You had it.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
Flaps up.
Yep, no, I didn't withdraw the flaps. Okay. All right, carpet off.
Carpet off.
And then
Trim.
landing light. Yes, reset the trim to just below the arrowhead. And then the landing light. Rightmost one. Shut it. Best way to do it, shut it all the way off and bring it out. Bring it out one click. Yeah, there you go. It's like 1.5 clicks. Okay. Hello?
All
All right.
traffic. Ventures 122 is taking runway 08 for a north departure. Orange.
Go ahead and taxi us and bring us in toward the parking slot. No steering. The wind is going to be behind us, and it's going to be on my side. So our position for the controls, the wind's going that way, so we want to be away from the wind and forward.
Okay.
That's how you hold your controls when the wind is behind the wing on my side. If it was behind the wing on your side, blowing this way, then you would want to keep it forward, but reverse the orientation of the ailerons.
Turn right here.
No, second one.
Oh, second.
We don't want to get into the jump area. I don't know what they're doing, but they're adequately busy. Okay. Now, as you turn, the wind comes to the wingtip. Just neutralize your controls. Keep turning. Neutralize your controls. Then as you come through 90 degrees, the wind's now coming this way, forward and into the wind.
Okay.
And all I want you to do now is get down to the turn of the grass here in the corner and steer for that first slot that we were parked in a moment ago.
Okay.
Okay, bear right. Trying to aim for the rear tie-down rope initially. Come to the left now. Left now. Aim for the rear tie-down rope. That's it. Once you go across it, turn left to go straight toward that train link gate. Good. Good. Okay. They come a little to the right. On up. On up. Need to be a little more to the right. That power. Little power. We can always push it back. More. That's it. Okay, more. We got to come another yard. Keep going. It's okay. Don't move it. Stop. Okay, stop right there. Okay, now we find our shutdown checklist.
Brakes is required.
Yeah, we're going to hold the brakes.
Avionics off.
Yep.